everybody, welcome to Jen Makes. I'm Ceyla, and today I'm going to go to a train station where the steam engines are going on the track. See when we get there. We're in the train station. Look. We're on the train and we will be going through the forest.
This is really exciting, Ceyla.
Yes, it is.
I've never been on a diesel train like this. And we're at the very front. And if you have a look, you can see where we're going.
Yeah. Do you want to see, guys? Let's look out.
Guys, just see the handle that the train driver is holding. That handle is called the dead man's handle. When operated, it speeds up the train and slows down the train to a stop.
Bye! Bye!
Now, guys at home, we're at North Weald's railway station and we are on the steam train. We were just on the diesel. Which direction are we going to now, Ceyla? Ongar.
It's snack time! Can you hear this ringing sound? Whistle. Can you hear this whistle sound? Hello. We're at Ongar. This is the day where we work.
Now guys, the steam train has now been detached from the first carriage. It will swap over to the opposite track, go down and then be reattached to the last carriage for its return journey.
Can you hear the steam engine, guys?
Hear the sound, can't you?
And these are like pretty colour. It sounds like pretty colour. I look cool with my sunglasses. Ooh. This is me. I am Ceyla from Ceyla Makes. Bye, everybody.